pictures of the pressure control for local law. But then sometimes the super says, hey, I have a question. And I'm like, what's that? He says, is my nozzle clean? Starring Lamar Brandon Camel. I don't know if it's clean, but we're gonna find out because we're boiler heroes.
Not everybody eats.
They called it in.
That's a Picasso painting? Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I'm saying it better be something with Picasso, right?
Wanted me to go to this building and take pictures of the pressure control to make sure settings is correct.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it had to be a connection, yeah.
Sometimes these are randoms for me, so the super doesn't expect me, so that's why it's looking like that.
Well, who gave you that?
This is what they gave me.
From Liam?
Yeah, come on, baby. 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
Yeah, sometimes I don't like when they just send me randomly. Gotta get them to warm up.
Are you pushing steam?
He was. I don't know.
Did you get any complaints about too much heat?
No.
Okay.
I asked that because I'm gonna have to bring down his pressure control. So he might get less, but if nobody's complaining or anything like that, we good.
10 minutes.
Can you do me a favor now that you're here?
Talk to me.
Make sure that the boiler is burning properly.
Okay. Look at the combustion.
I was having problem because we have bad oil.
Okay.
I never have a problem looking over some extra stuff. You know, it's part of the job.
I got you.
Some people don't like to do the extras. They be like, that's not what I'm here for. I'm here to do this and that's it. But if the super tells me, yo, can you do this real quick? I don't mind it. Like I said, it's part of the job.
Alright. So this one's good.
Testing lower the cutoff one is good.
Okay. That one's good.
Test for the lower cutoff feeder is good. You gotta take this ladder to get to the pressure control safely. Normally I'll climb up the burner, but I don't feel like doing all that, and you know, the super's there watching. So let's just use the ladder since it's right there. It's not too heavy either. He got 4 pressure controls up there. So one is definitely for modulation, one is a manual reset, one is an operating control, and one is probably for his heat timer to make heat establish. Making sure the pressure control shuts off the boiler, so that's my operating right there. This one should be my heat timer, so I'm gonna trigger this one to see if it triggers the heat timer. But I don't think they use it anymore since he has a digital heat timer now, so it probably is like out of commission.
Brown wire.
I'm gonna leave that alone for now. Like I said, I'm pretty sure they're not even using that heat timer no more since they got a platinum over there. That one at the end is my modulation. Photo op. Now I gotta take a picture for the boss. He wants to see all 4 of them. Okay, so that lower the cutoff shuts the boiler off as well. We good with that.
I'm gonna check your flame.
So I believe I got all the pictures I need. So now I'm gonna do the favor of the super action, check the flame. I'm even gonna pull the nozzle and see how that looks. I know the super here sometimes be touching the burner and trying to adjust it himself and stuff like that. So, I think that's why he's asking me. While I'm down here, quickly check the wires real quick, see if it was the same.
This used to be the old one, and we were using it just for the, see that now over there?
Got you.
Same speed to from the floor.
Got you.
Now we are not setting anything anymore. It's far.
So I see his flame is blowing away and it's too far, like as if it's too much compressor air. So I'm gonna try to bring down the compressor, bring the flame closer to the oven. On the burner like that, I want like maybe 18, 20 on it, depending on the flame
What number
and the
oil?
nozzle.
It's pretty big.
Took too much away that it started to smoke, so I'm gonna put back a little bit on top of it to get it to stop smoking.
The nozzle might be. Have they replaced the nozzle recently?
When they did the overhaul, they were working here.
Okay.
That doesn't really answer my question, but I'll take it. I want to turn it off and pull the nozzle, see how the nozzle's
Do you remember
looking.
his name?
Frank.
Frankie G. Yeah, Frankie G. That was a long time ago. I brought the flashlight.
I probably would have brought more stuff if I knew I had to open up the burner, but you should always be prepared. So I ain't have no gloves or nothing like that, rags to clean the oil from the nozzle, but we'll work with what we got.
No, but I get it. I don't need the flashlight.
Super all in my tools.
I think I left it in my van. That's alright. That's cool. You have any rags?
Yes.
It's always a blessing when a super could, bless you with some rags. So I always appreciate that. Shit, I'm dropping oil, making a mess. It's all good. That's 2 oil.
Not so bad. Not so bad.
Nozzle's not so bad, and it's probably clean because, like he said, they just did the overhaul. So
Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can open it.
Should be alright.
If I got it. Let's see, over there. I might have to go back to my truck.
So I believe I don't got all the things I need to really take this nozzle apart. Nothing really fits to hold.
I'll go to my truck real quick.
What do you need?
Maybe a bigger adjustable. I gotta get over or a channel lock. I gotta get over this. Doesn't matter.
This is a lesson to learn.
Happen with that.
Always be prepared.
I think none of these
Never know the situation might turn into.
And that's the biggest one.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah. I got you.
So now I got a big channel lock and a big adjustable in that bag.
Déjame ver. No, no, no. Una como esta,
Oh,
William, pero la
dame.
bigger.
No, it's okay. Dame.
Had to get on my Spanish shit real quick.
About like that. We used to have
okay.
a bigger one in there. You have to be around there.
So alright, the pipe wrench is actually perfect. That's 1, 2, 3.
From what the strainer looked like when you showed me, it doesn't look like it was affected too much by it.
Yeah. I was thinking that it might be something there.
He feels he has a bad batch of oil sent to him, so he's like, the strainer was bad. Let me check the nozzle to make sure that's good.
Pretty clean. And this is not that bad. It's not eating up or nothing like that, so it's pretty good.
Alright, so we know the nozzle's clean and all that. We tighten it up. Now we're gonna be ready to put it back in, fire it up, make adjustments, see what's up. So I got the nozzle in, I'm gonna close it up, fire it up. Once the boiler's fired up, the super might hear it and come passing by. Cause that thing had to step out real quick. So we cleaned the nozzle. We know the nozzle's good. So now we just gonna, put things together, check the flame, make sure the flame is good. If it looks good, then we out of here. I like to leave rags just in case I come back another day and have a rag there for me. Play that long game.
I like that. Yeah.
It was a little dark, so I figured let me give it a little bit more air, brain it up a bit.
After you took that oil out, that's how your oil look black? Your oil look black?
It looks like that was residual from the 6 and the 4.
I think that's why it's like that. I think that's the oil, bro. Because it makes no sense. I see that little dark spot right there. You still got 4 oil?
This is not good now. I ordered new oil.
Nah,
It
true.
should be good now. It should be running good.
Look, they didn't steam the lines though, right? Yeah.
So he had an oil conversion where he had 4 oil changed to 2, but it's still black like 4, so the flame might be a little finicky. Whenever you change grade of oil, you definitely gotta, do some things and adjustments.
We need to clean the line.
Steam the line. I don't think it's gonna give you a problem though. It looks like it's getting better. I don't think it's. Just watch it. Just see what it does. Thank you. Oh.
Oh, my heroes.
I don't mind doing the extra things to make sure that boiler's good. It's all about making the super happy. And I'm sure he's happy. But we took that nozzle out and we made sure it was clean. It was clean as a whistle. But if you're the super, maybe you shouldn't touch the boiler too much. You gotta wait for the professionals. You know who the professionals are, don't you? I can remind you who the professionals are. Those are the guys they send in when nobody else wants to do it. What are these guys called?